Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So we're gonna make just a regular beans and frank meal. When I was growing up on Saturday, that was the meal, beans and franks, and I'm gonna make you a nice salad. So the salad is the star of the day. Okay, so stay tuned, hang in there with me. The kids can make this one. Okay, all right, thumbs up. Share the video, subscribe, check out the links below. Let's do it. Okay guys, I wanted a salad, but I didn't think that the salad would hold me all night, so I'm going to make some beans and franks. Okay, so I have some franks here. It's beef and pork franks. And I have a can of baked beans. It's country style baked beans. And then we're going to make a salad, a spinach salad. So here's the spinach we're going to use, and we're going to add some grapes and all kind of goodies with the salad. The salad is going to be the star of this meal, okay? Alright, so let's do it. So I'm going to put the beans in this pot here. I love beans, and baked beans are my favorite. Okay, this is what I add to my beans, okay? You know, the holidays come in the 4th of July, so you might want to make some beans. You usually have that with the barbecue. So this is, I use sugar-free syrup. You can use any syrup you like. Just put as much as that in there as you like, or as little as you like, or none. You can also use honey or sugar, okay? Alright, I have some ketchup. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I like good old molasses in mine. Okay, if you are low in iron, molasses is really good for you. Let's put that in. Okay, that's a count of 3 on that. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to give this a stir. And it's a little thick because of the molasses is thick and the syrup is sticky. So I'm going to add a little water. Okay, let's do about 3 tablespoons of water. That'll work. Okay, we're going to put this on the fire. Okay, now our hot dogs. You know, hot dogs are one of those things that you gotta try many kind to see which ones work for you. I don't like the kind of hot dogs that when I eat it, it gives me indigestion. So I like this brand. It doesn't give me indigestion. Okay? Okay, so I'm just going to cut them up in little pieces, like so, because I'm going to mix them right in my beans. Okay, I'm going to put some water in here. Okay, while the hot dogs are cooking, we're going to make our salad. Let me wash my hands. Okay. Okay, let me get everything we need for our salad. Okay, guys. So, I have my baby spinach here. This is going to be the container that I'm going to put my salad in. So I'm just going to put my bit of spinach down in there. And then we're going to build it up from there. Okay. So now, our hot dogs are done. So I'm going to pour the water off the hot dogs, and then I'm going to add the hot dogs to the beans. Okay, the hot dogs are done. You can tell when they're done, they double in size. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this in. This is what I had every Saturday when I was growing up. Okay, so now let's cut out tomatoes. Make sure you can see me. Okay, I think I'm good with just that one. Okay, now let's cut up the cucumber. I don't eat the outer peeling myself because it gets caught in my throat, so I take all of that off. But if it doesn't bother you, it's very nutritional, you should eat it. I learned to deal with reality. All right. Okay. So I just cut it 3 times the long way, 3 times this way, well two times, once, twice, and then I turned it over so you get strips like this. However you want to cut it, it's up to you. That's not really a big deal. Okay, I'm good with the cucumber. Okay, I cooked some plantains in another setting. You can go check that video out. It was plantains and fried chicken wings. So I'm going to put the plantains in here. I'm going to let you see this. So that's how we're looking so far. Okay. Now the grapes, you just take it right off the stem. I already washed them. And you can just add that to your salad. How about that, huh? Looking good, right? It's another way to get the fruit in. Especially if you only have maybe a bag of grapes. And you know how everybody likes to eat all the grapes. Well, this is a good way where everybody can get their portion of the grapes. Okay, I think our hot dogs and beans are ready. That only takes like 10 minutes. Okay, let me plate that up and show you, okay? And I'm going to give you the word of the day. Okay, so we're going to have some red wine vinegar and olive oil on the salad, okay? And some croutons. What's a salad without the croutons? Gotta have that crunch. There we go. Okay. Okay, let me show you the beans and franks. How about that, huh? Okay. And the salad. Okay, let me give you the word of the day and I'll taste that. Okay, let me give you a quick word of the day. Make your life better. That's the word of the day. Make your life better than you did yesterday. Make your life better than you did last year. Make your life better than you did 10 years ago. Make your life better now, because time is running out. Get it together. Come on, you can do it. Make your life better, because it's all in your hands. That's the word of the day. Make your life better. Okay, so let me taste the beans and hot dogs. Okay. Oh, that looks hot. I love, love, love molasses. The molasses came right through there. And I like the idea of the beans mixed with the hot dogs. It kind of lifts the flavor of the hot dogs. Okay, let me check my salad now. You know, I have this great salad. Oh, look at that. Wow. The Plantains are cold, that's okay. A plantain is in the banana family, so you can eat it cold. Great. Mmm. Guys, I'm really hungry today, so I'm gonna go eat, okay? Check out the links below, subscribe, share the video, and think of me by checking out the links below if you would like to support this channel, okay? Until next time, bye bye.